There's a little girl in Skibbereen with flowing hair and ragged jeans, and floating in a vivid dream as classes go by. And every day at 3 o'clock she's out the door and down the block, and hurries to the river dock, a gleam in her eyes. And everything's fine for the day. There's nothing to get in the way of her smile, and there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. The barricade's a castle wall, 47 miles tall. The river's got a waterfall, the moat is so deep. The cedar trees are canopies, a ceiling made of needle leaves. A buzzing fleet of honeybees are guarding the keep. And no one can take this away. What lives in her mind will remain there to stay. And there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. Real life can be lifeless and cold when your heart grows up and gets old. The dreams of your past never quite seem to last in a future that's so far away. But here in this place, you know, Molly is a princess today. In a little while it's dinner time, she leaves the kingdom in her mind. A bookmark in the storyline, a chapter is done. The mystery of what will be tomorrow when the clock strikes 3. There beneath the cedar trees the princess will come. And there's nothing that she couldn't do when she closes her eyes and imagines the view. And there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Yeah, well, there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits who broke the rules, who feared the boredom more than scorn or ridicule. You're scared to fly in the endless sky when the voices say that there's no way you'll ever make the grade. Let's say you try and you fall from high. When the sun is set, will you regret the fall, or the times you did nothing at all? Here's one for magic that lives within, for seeing beauty in the commonest of things. Here's one for passion without restraint, to those who stumble to the ground and feel no shame. You're scared to fly in the endless sky when the voices say that there's no way